Imagine waking up every morning knowing you have the total freedom to work from home on your own terms. I am talking about making enough money to not just survive but to actually thrive. What if I told you there is a specific business model that hundreds of people are already using to achieve exactly that? It's the same system I used to generate a daily income online without needing prior experience and without grinding away for 8 hours a day. Now, look, I'm not here to sell you anything. I know exactly what it feels like to be stuck in a rut, trying every side hustle under the sun to be left only with empty promises. That's why I'm offering you something real. If you smash that like button and drop a comment below, I'm going to hook you up with my free guide, step by step AI agency starter, including all my templates and the exact scripts you need to make this happen. No hidden paywalls, no coaching upsells, just a raw step by step breakdown of how to build this for yourself. But before we go into the steps and everything, I want to break down exactly the business model and how this works. Let me pull up this on my computer so you see the system in action. What we are doing is simple. We are helping small local business owners by selling them high value AI systems. Now you can see there are a few high selling systems that you can offer and you can choose from, like AI smart websites, reputation management, or lead capture and follow-up system. But in this video, we will be diving deep into lead capture and follow-up system. This core system includes three specific automations, basically missed call text back, AI chatbot, and instant forums. Don't worry if you know any of these, don't know any of these. You can sell this individually for $297 each or bundle them up together for $499 per month. Specifically, I'm going to show you the lead capture and follow-up system of the first missed call text feature in just a matter of minutes. Literally anyone can do this. No tech skills are required and no marketing degree and nothing. Think about the math for a second. If you just get 5 clients at $300 a month, that's an extra $1,500 in semi-passive income every single month. And the best part, this is completely different from a traditional digital marketing agency. Most agencies try to charge $1,500 to $2,000 a month to run Facebook ads. The problem is most local business owners can't actually afford that long term. They sign up, realize the cost is too high, and they cancel after 2 months. Then you're stuck in a loop of constantly hunting for new clients. But the $300 a month, that is a price point these businesses can actually afford to keep paying forever. And as you are about to see, there isn't a mountain of ongoing support or fulfillment once the system is live. So we are using AI to remove you and the business owner from the equation. So you can make that $300 per month in a way that's almost entirely hands off. Now that you know what we are selling, let's go find the businesses that are literally begging for this solution right now. So let me pull this up, and all we are going to do is go to Google. So let's be honest, anyone can do it. Imagine for a second you have got a toilet leaking. You are stressed, you are searching plumbers near me, let's say. Okay, plumbers, or anyway, in whichever city you live in. I'm searching plumbers in Dallas. So in fact, even if you live outside the US, you can easily target business owners inside the United States and build this business from anywhere. Now, as you look, the plumbers, I come to maps over here, we see the top results. These ones are the sponsored. They are literally paying Google to be there. We see their phone numbers as well. As we can see their phone numbers as well. And as we scroll down, we see the organic listings from here as well. These are all the organic listings they had paid for the SEO and other stuff. So now if my toilet is leaking, I'm just going to start calling, right? I need this fixed now. So, but here is crazy part. Statistics show that 62% of the incoming calls to small local business owners go unanswered. Think about why that is. A plumber, an electrician, massage therapist, they are busy actually doing the job they're paid for. They can't stop and pick up the phone every 5, 10, 15 minutes. So what's happening is, if first one doesn't answer, let's say a public service plumbers doesn't answer, I'm just going to call the next one and the next one until someone picks up. This plumber who paid all that money to rank to the top of the Google or run those sponsored ads is literally throwing away deals because they can't connect with the customer. That is exactly where we come in. We are going to set them up with a simple service I like to call auto missed call text back. It takes about 2 minutes to set up, and it doesn't matter what industry they are in. This is pure gold for them. Now imagine I call this business and they don't pick up. Instead of me just moving to the next guy, this business automatically gets a text to their phone says like, hey, so sorry, I missed your call. How can we help you? So suddenly I'm not calling the next plumber. I'm texting this one. And if you're wondering, wait, do I have to respond to the text or the agency owner have to do it? So the workaround way is I'm going to show you how to do this in about 2 minutes using AI. We are going to completely remove you and the business owner from the conversation while still the appointment setting, the closing of the deal is going on. But how do you convince a business owner that this simple text is worth a $300 a month? You show them the math they can't ignore. We use something like this particular missed call text back ROI calculator. What you're going to do is sit down with any local business owner, electrician, plumber, hairstylist, it doesn't matter, and ask them three simple questions. What's your average client value? Let's say they say something like $500. How many calls do you think you miss per week? They may say probably 3 a day, so about 20 a week. So what's your average closing rate? So if they're good on phone, they may be saying 35%. So now we have the ROI using their particular number. So as you are able to see right here, their money left on the table is over $3,200. So then you say, look, we only charge $297 per month. That's over 1,000% ROI if you simply work with us. We want to turn those missed calls into actual revenue for your business. How does that sound? You can even give them a 7-day or 14-day free trial to make it a complete no-brainer. And that is winning sales pitch all day long. And if you're thinking, but how I don't have a website, how I can look like a real business, don't worry. We have a professionally designed, fully built out website template that you can literally just clone with any of our AI system with their calculators built in. You throw in your particular logo and your domain and you are ready to go. Even better, the software we use can be white labeled. That means you put your own logo and your own payment processor and you collect 100% of the payments. No split commissions and there is no middleman. All the money goes directly into your bank. All right, let's get this set up. Now we are going to come on our software. So first we are working off by connecting our Google Maps business profile. So what we are going to do is in here, we are particularly coming to our settings and we go to our integrations. All they have to do is click on the connect and just click connect and put in their email and password and it will automatically pull in their listing info. Just you'll be able to see a screen something like this and it will be done just like that. So once that's connected, we just go on to scroll and enable the phone. We enable the phone system in the particularly over here. So as you can see, phone systems, and click on we need to voice particularly, and here we find our missed call text back feature over here, missed call text back, and we are going to click on missed call text back. It's already checked on by default, but you can customize the message. It'll just say like, hi, this is business name, this is location. Based on the data that is pulled in from the Google, it'll fetch all the location name and everything like that. I just saw your missed call text back, how can we help you? Like, this is a simple text that is being sent, and this is worth a lot for the business owner. The business owner can change this to whatever they want, then just click save. So that's it. In 2 minutes, you have just created a $297 per month recurring revenue stream. But what happens when the customer texts back and says, "Hey, I need your help with my leaky toilet"? The business owner is busy. How do they respond? This is where we get into the AI part, where the system automatically handles the conversation on complete autopilot. We aren't just capturing the lead, we are setting appointment while the business owner is still on the job site. So now here is a real magic. How do we actually really reply to that person without you, the agency owner, having to do it, and without the business owner having to stop their work? This is where we use a simple solution over here called conversation AI. So all we have to do is come onto the dashboard and click over here AI agents. These are many agents over here. You just need to click the conversation AI and we head on to the dashboard. We just start by creating a new bot. And here you just need to create a new bot and you can click any of these. We can go ahead with appointment booking. And here it's really simple. Like if you can create I just edit the particular business, and to train this bot, all you have to do is take on to the business owner's website. Basically, this particular guys have a website over here. What I'm going to do is just whatever the business name you can type in and just grab the URL and copy it and paste it right here into the section. And you can see here we can select all the different channels as well. In a second, I'm going to save this, and then once this is saved, you can click over the next. Over here you can see the different channels as well. You can even offer more AI chatbot service along with this and charge price point for the customer. So now the bot is fetching the pages and scanning the entire website. It's training the bot on all the data in just a few seconds. Now let's test this out. Okay, so I'm just going to click over here and everything, and you can add more custom questions as well according to the business owner's details. I'm just going to click save over here, and then just need to click the autopilot. Whenever the messages come, it can immediately reply based on our trained data. So I'm just going to click over here, test this particular bot. So when an incoming text, Facebook message or chat bot, AI handles it automatically. Now just if I just put in like I've got a leaky toilet, something like that, and this particular, yeah, see, look here, just look it pulls directly from the site as well. What services do you offer? Services do you guys offer? Like now, directly from the site, wide range of everything from fixing leaky toilets and faucets to pipe repairs, drain cleaning, everything that is from this data is from the website. If you like the answer, you can give it a thumbs up, or if you want to rewrite how it should have responded, then click on train bot. You just dislike and you can just edit this message and click on train bot. It's that simple. You can even add a frequently added question section for specific things like pricing or service area if that's not been mentioned in the website. This allows AI to handle the lead, answer the questions, and move from there to a booking a call, all while you and the business owner are doing the other things. So let's bring this all together so you can go out and start doing this today. So anyway, that's how we are able to go through and sell this AI to local businesses for $297 per month. We start out by selling them on the missed call text back, and with the calculator ROI, showing them the ROI. We have them give us the numbers, so it spits out accurate information. So we are just not kind of like winging it and giving all the information that's not actually valid for their business. So, but now once we have sold them all this missed call text stack, we show them how we can use AI and just copy paste their website URL to train the AI bot to respond to each client after a client. So as they have responded to the missed call text back and be able to booking appointment on complete autopilot on the business owner's calendar. And this is the way we are able to not only leverage AI to sell small local businesses, not only capture the missed phone calls and turn those into recurring and real dollars for these small businesses, but also help them book more appointments so they can get more customers, more clients, and ultimately grow their business and make more money. And once again, if you guys want this free step-by-step guide and the AI agency starter kit, all you have to do is go down below and then click a like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be hooking you up with the free guide. So you can start this exact business that is used hundreds of others are using, having used and duplicated with amazing success, amazing result. Just smash the like button below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the later few videos.